Spanakopita, no Filo, no layering, 20 minutes, and you still get the crunch. No Filo today, we're building the crunch first. Panko mixture recipe in the description below. This gives the top that crispy pastry-like bite without turning dinner into a project. Once it's golden, take it out for now so it stays crisp for the finish. This is where the creamy texture starts. The white beans soften into the skillet first, creating the base for the whole dish. Then the scallions and garlic go in, so they soften, only need a few seconds until fragrant. Here is the creamy trick. Mash just a few of the white beans. Some beans stays whole for texture and some melt into the sauce. And a splash of broth brings everything together and helps the beans turn creamy. Fresh spinach means no thawing, no squeezing, no waiting, and works fast and keeps the dish fresh. Now the feta cheese goes in while the skillet's still hot, so it softens into the beans and the spinach. Off heat is important, creamy, not curdled. Turn the heat off and let the pan cool for a few minutes before adding the yogurt. Lemon juice and zest add that fresh Mediterranean finish and lift all the flavors together. And some fresh dill gives it that Spanakopita flavor. And the toasted panko goes on last to keep it crispy, not soggy. This is why I like this for a lighter dinner. Protein, fiber, and comfort without the heavy pastry. And for busy nights, still one skillet and easy cleanup. And the best part is most of this is pantry and fridge basics: canned beans, spinach, feta, yogurt, lemon, and panko. If you would keep this creamy, comment creamy, or if you would add more crunch to it, comment crunch. And if you like Mediterranean dinners that are lighter, faster, and made in one pan, please hit like and subscribe. And next, watch one of my other skillet dinners on the screen. They all have the same easy cleanup idea with different Mediterranean flavors. Thank you so much for watching. Look forward to seeing you next time. Until then, stay healthy and take care.